French Tweets is glad to promote French learning through live online classes for learners all across the world. Our live online French classes make it easy for beginners to learn this beautiful language from scratch. We have a dedicated and qualified team of French language experts who leave no stone unturned in delivering the best lectures. They are au courant with the latest teaching methodologies and are highly competent at teaching French for different levels. Whether you are a newbie in the world of French or almost fluent, you will always gain a lot of knowledge from our top-rated French instructors. TEF, TCF, TCFQ, TEFAQ, DELF, or DELF, no matter what test you are preparing for, we have well-structured online live classes designed for each session. We make online classes fun and exciting for our learners by giving them a variety of exercises and activities that enhance your language skills up to the hilt. Join our French Tweets community of learners and learn anytime, anywhere. You can visit our website www.frenchtweets.ca to check out the course plan and class schedule for our upcoming batches. You may also opt for personalized learning where we can customize the plan as per your needs. Thanks for watching French Tweets.
Allô, Louise. Bonsoir, c'est Sarah, je suis à l'aéroport. Je vais prendre un taxi et j'arrive.
Ah, Sarah, je suis contente de t'entendre. À cette heure-ci, un samedi soir, un taxi. Il n'y en a pas. On voit bien que tu n'es pas de Nice. Ils sont tous en ville. Non, écoute, je t'explique, c'est très simple. Tu prends la navette qui va vers Nice, elle part de l'aéroport, juste devant le hall des arrivées. Et elle va jusqu'à la place Garibaldi. Là, tu descends, tu traverses la place vers l'avenue de la République. Tu vas voir le café de Turin, au coin. Et quelques mètres plus loin, il y a l'arrêt du bus 26. Tu descends au 4e arrêt, je t'attends à l'abribus.
Bon, j'ai compris. Heureusement, c'est plus facile qu'à Marseille. Il faut combien de temps pour arriver chez toi?
Si tu n'attends pas le bus, il faut une demi-heure.
Bon, alors, à tout à l'heure.
Our highly accredited online classes offer you the freedom to learn this beautiful and soft-spoken language from the comfort of your home. If you want to improve your oral and written communication for immigration tests like TEF, TCF, TEFAQ, or TCFQ, then attending our live sessions will surely work wonders for you.
We offer personalized training for mastering the speaking and writing strategies straight from global native experts. You may also connect to us through our website www.frenchtweets.ca to register and know about our classes for all levels and tests. We are glad to have your wonderful support and response. Like, share and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more such learning videos and exclusive study material.